Hi guys, it's Kristen with APO Creations, and this video is part of the Friendship Express train hosted by Tina at Pour Resin with Love, Susie at Serendipity Resin Creations, Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations, and Amy at Resonating Art by Amy M. 3 pro tips for making your first soap. Work like a chef, start simple, and craft smarter, not harder. Okay. And of course, this is what the kit has. It even has a QR code so you can watch a video, which I will be doing here in a minute. And then it tells you what you need to do. So I think that I will try these 2 molds on my first try. And I'll do one with lavender and then one with jasmine. And see how it goes. I don't think I want to put the roses in there yet. Okay, all right guys, what color should we make these? I think the jasmine will do yellow and the lavender will do purple. I will have to see if I have any jasmine because they don't. They have orange, lavender, rose, and tea tree. Okay, so I will get this soap to cook in. I think I'll start with the butter soap base and see how that goes. I wish I had a bigger actual like soap, square soap mold. The instructions say to chop up the soap into smaller chunks because it melts easier that way. Of course. But do you think that I could be bothered to even go into my kitchen and get a disposable knife? Absolutely not, because that's not how I roll. Let's just use what I've got, and it just so happens to be my resin mixing thingy. So I'm gonna just keep chopping these up into small pieces, and I'll speed you through the process and see you on the other side. Okay, so I just melted this in the microwave. I'll put this guy over here. So I'm gonna start with the lavender buds. And the video on, whoops. Okay, now I got lavender buds everywhere. The video on their website basically just has you kind of doing this. Like just put some buds in there. Okay. And get some on those little areas. Now, I've already said I am going to make this purple. Oh, if I can get it open. So I'm going to do 2 drops of the blue. Mix that all in. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I like that color. I don't know what scent would go with that though. I'm gonna start with just 1 drop of red and see what that makes. Still blue. Oh, and you don't want to do that. Goodness. Okay, let's try this again. And, okay. It's a pretty color. Okay, well, the buds are all floating. So, turtle soap. Okay, next is, oh God, you know what I didn't do? Look, can we do this real quick? Okay, we're gonna have to do a do-over or something. I'm gonna have to melt this wax down again and, oops. All right, it's getting, it's hardening. Oh, goodness. All right, so I'm gonna put this jasmine in first. Or not, because there's a bug in it. Oh, goodness. Why am I having such a time? Oh, that was nice. All right, I don't know if that was enough. And I'm going to do yellow, just because. Oh, son of a... Goodness gracious. I'm already having a day, right? Oh God, that jasmine smells divine. Okay, add some buds, just willy-nilly. All right. Word to the wise, when you're doing a smaller mold like this, probably don't add so many buds. I'm just saying. I am sure gonna have fun with this stuff. Okay, I will be back when it's time for demolding. All right, excuse me, time for demold, although I am going to, this is a lavender one, get all this extra stuff off of here. My turtle soap. Oh, well, his tail's missing because I didn't have enough. That is too cute. All right, let me get this extra off, maybe. Ooh, very pretty. So yummy. Okay, time for the jasmine. I didn't have enough to fill it, but That is too cool. That just looks inappropriate. God, that smells yummy. All right, so that is me making soap from this month's craft. And again, like I said in the beginning, this is a Friendship Express video. So be sure to check out the playlist below and watch all of the amazing crafts that everybody does. Okay, so I didn't like the way that the flower came out, or the turtle, because I was missing his tail. So I melted the wax back down, actually added the fragrance to it, and this is what I came up with. This is just too adorable. So, because this has an indented piece that says 100% handmade, I thought, I wonder if my candle wax pen would work for this. Oops, hello. Okay, well apparently it comes out really well. Shake it up. Okay. Let me see. Oops, got some shavings or something on there.
The workbench is ready. The sun's peeking in. I'm clearing the surface to let it begin. A wooden slab waiting, a raw piece of pine with a grain like a map and a rugged design. I'm heating the wax, let the amber flow deep, waking the beauty that the timber would keep. From a rough cut block to a polished gleam, I'm carving out pieces of a maker's dream. Oh, we're pouring the visions and setting the stone, making a magic that's purely our own. From the wood and the resin, the wax and the flame, no two creations are ever the same. With pigments and glitter, we're making it shine, one piece at a time, in a handmade design. Now the tumbler is turning on the motor slow hum. I'm mixing the resin till the bubbles are gone. A drop of the pigment, a deep ocean blue, swirling in patterns that are honest and true. Then I reach for the mica, a pearlescent streak, a shimmer of silver for the treasure I seek. With a dash of the glitter, a sprinkle of light, that cup starts to dazzle like a star in the night. Oh,